In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change language in Telegram. If you use Telegram on your computer and want the interface in a language that's more comfortable for you, this walkthrough will show you exactly where to look and what to click. We'll be using Telegram Desktop, and the process is the same on Windows, Mac OS, and most Linux distributions. Start by opening Telegram Desktop on your computer. Make sure you're in the main window where you can see your chats. If your app looks very different from what I'm describing, you might be on an older version, so consider updating Telegram Desktop when you have a moment to keep everything consistent. Next, look to the top left corner of the window and click the menu icon. It's the three horizontal lines stacked on top of each other. That menu slides out to reveal several options. From there, choose Settings. You'll be taken to a screen with various customization and account options. Inside Settings, find and click Language. This opens a dedicated page with a list of available languages. Telegram offers a wide range of choices, and each language is displayed in its own script, so it's easy to recognize. Take a moment to scroll through and locate the one you prefer. When you see your preferred language, click it once. Telegram applies the change immediately, so the interface text, things like menus, buttons, and labels, will switch right away. You usually don't need to restart the app. If you don't see your language in the list, it may not be included in your current build, so updating the app can help. Keep in mind that changing the Telegram interface language does not translate your conversations. Your chats remain exactly as they were in whatever language they were sent. If you ever pick the wrong language by accident, don't worry. Just retrace the same path. Open the menu, go to Settings, then Language, and select the one you intended. Even if you can't read the new language, the position of the menu icon and the settings entry stays in the same place, so you can navigate back by memory. Also remember that the language setting is device-specific. If you use Telegram on your phone or another computer, you'll need to repeat the same steps on that device to match your preference there too. That's all there is to it. Open Telegram. Desktop, go to the menu, head into Settings, tap Language, and choose the language you want. Thanks for watching, and enjoy using Telegram in the language that feels most natural to you.